Now we are going to see the next concept 4, called magic box. So you may be wondering what is this magic box is all about and what is it going to do in our reasoning lesson. Now this magic box is nothing great or big. It is a small box in which we are going to put all the symbols so that we are able to solve our problems using the tool of magic box. Now we have seen some rules for solving already. You must be very familiar with it. Now we are going to put those rules in the magic box so that we are able to solve the same problem using the magic box. Then you may wonder why we need a magic box. We already know how to solve it. Now please remember, this magic box is a very powerful tool where you have to solve coded inequality problem. Nowadays the questions that are being asked in the bank exam and other competitive exam, they is not straight. They don't give you the statement in symbols, containing only symbols. The statement will be given with quotes. With the code, they say A dollar, B means A is greater than B. A ampersand, B means A is less than B. A percentage, B means A is greater than or equal to. So we have to remember not only how to solve this, but also greater than is represented by what symbol, less than is represented by what symbol, and this becomes a very complex phenomena because we are having three or four statements and 4 or 5 conclusions. All of them are in quotes. So to solve that problem, this magic box will be a wonderful tool. So first let us understand the concept of magic box, and then in the next instance we will try to use it for solving the coded inequality. Now let us see first the working of the magic box. Now we will solve a simple problem using magic box so that the concept will be clear, and later on we can add complications or complexities. The statement is f is less than n is equal to k is less than or equal to d. We have to test the conclusion. What are the conclusions we have to test? Conclusion 1, d is less than or equal to n. Conclusion 2, f is less than or equal to d. Now straight away we know how to solve it. D and n, where is d, where is n, what is the symbol in between, then we know how to solve it. But let us, for a change, let us use a magic box to solve this simple problem which we already know how to solve it, so that from the known to the unknown we can jump easily. Now what is the magic box? This is left hand side, this is right hand side. What I have put is greater than symbol is here, the opposite symbol less than is here, greater than or equal to is here, and less than or equal to is here, opposite side, and is equal to is in the center. Now we know that if we travel from left hand side to right hand side, while finding the symbols in between the elements, while comparing the symbols in between the elements, if we travel from left hand side to right hand side, then there is no conclusion possible because they are opposing symbols. So in the magic box, the first rule is if you travel from left hand side to right hand side, no conclusion because opposing symbols. The second is how to fix priority among the 3 symbols. Is that equal to is neutral. Among the 3 symbols which has got greater priority, the highest priority is allocated to greater than. Then second priority is greater than or equal to, third priority is equal to. In the same way, less than has the highest priority, less than or equal to is the second highest priority, and the third priority goes to is equal to. Now what we have to do is to verify this D is less than N. Now let us try to solve this using the magic box. Now where is D? D is here, N is here, therefore it is not in, the conclusion is not in sync with the statement, so we have to, N is greater than or equal to D. This is what we have to verify. Whether it is true, from the magic box we will verify. Now which are all the symbols here? Is equal to, less than or equal to. These are the two symbols. If you look at the magic box, these are the two symbols. Now are we traveling from left hand side to right hand side? No. Therefore it is possible to have conclusion. Among the two symbols that we have here, which has got higher priority? This has got higher priority. Therefore N is less than or equal to D is the correct conclusion. But here we are given an opposite thing. N is greater than or equal to D. Therefore this conclusion is wrong. In the similar manner, let us go to the next conclusion. The next conclusion is F and D. Where is F? F is here, D is here. F is less than or equal to D. That is what we have to verify using the magic box. Now what are the symbols here? Less than, ticket, then is equal to, ticket, and then less than or equal to. These are the three symbols in between F and D. Among the three symbols which has got top priority, we have three symbols: less than equal to, or is equal to. Among the three symbols which has got top priority, less than has got top priority. So the correct conclusion is F is less than D. But what we are asked to verify? We are asked to verify F is less than or equal to D is correct. So this is not correct. Therefore conclusion 2 is also wrong. Now what we have done is, we have arrived at these conclusions using the magic box. It's a very simple example where we are going to really find the real usefulness of the magic box is where we are trying to solve the coded inequality problem, where codes are substituting the symbols. Let us see the answer slide. For this problem, the correct answer is both conclusions are wrong. Now let us see the next concept.